This is the T23 compact excavator, 5,000 pound. Short tail design, variable track gauge undercarriage. Very perfect for neighbor job sites. It has 18 horsepower Kubota 920 diesel engine, solid power all day long. 3-in-1 pump enhance the productivity and reduce the fuel consumption. Smooth, reliable hydraulic systems turns engine power into strong digging force. Hydraulic pilot controls are light and easy to use. Boom, arm, bucket, travel, and swing functions move smoothly, simple to handle for any tasks. Reinforced swing boom ensure it's stronger and more stable to work. Rear-mounted boom cylinder avoids stone and materials damage. Standard equipped quick coupler lets you replace breakers, rippers, and augers in minutes. Great for home building, small city jobs, and farm work. One machine does it all. Outside drive motors and hoses are tucked inside the frame, protected from the stones and damage. Wide opening rear covers makes maintenance super easy. It's conveniently to reach and replace all the filters.